Mississippi. Here comes our Amtrak train in. Where do you think we're in now? You think we're in Georgia to... Hey, where do you reckon we are right now? Hold on. Let me see this one here. See what? You look off. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Listen to that beauty glow. Bethany, huh? It's like we're stopping again. Bethany! Leave me alone, will you? Come over here. I promise. I'll hurt you. Good to hear from you. Thanks for sharing those insights. I'll ask Right, YouTube, here we go stopping. For now.
No, we're not.
Moving again, YouTube, here we go.
So the next thing is going to be visible on the left, so that's on that side. It's the highest point in Alabama.
So we're still in Alabama?
Yes, we're coming up on the state line.
We might be going
near the peak provides an impressive view of an overlook of the surrounding regions. The mountain is part of the Talladega Mountains and the southernmost segment of the Blue Ridge Mountains.
So we must be going like straight up.
Not really, but sort of, kind of. And then after that we hit the Alabama and Georgia state line.
Just waving at random civilians. Look up there, Dad. Look at the view. Look at that mountainside. Pretty cool.
Yep. I'm wondering if that's the
No, that's the right. No, isn't that the left?
Hold on. Where was it? Oh, it's on the back. On the right is the Lee Bass Foundation, one of the largest of its kind. Armory established training camp that today is used. National Guard is. Homeland Security, anti-terrorist. This is on the right is a major army facility. Primary mission includes the repair of heavy tracked vehicles and storage of chemical weapons. So this is the right side right here.
Alright.
Or what they're calling the right.
So if we were in a car and we were wanting to turn right, we'll probably turn that direction.
No, the description here is the train traveling from the north to the south. So if you were traveling north to south and you looked to the right, you would see it.
Gotcha.
So somewhere here is the state line. Waffle House.
What's she doing? No, it's Jonas for his disc. Let me see something. That needs your charge.
said you didn't want it.
You take my picture, Dad.
Hold on, one more. Okay, there you go. Let me have a look. Do you want me to take another one?
No defects.
No defects.
Total axles. I should ask him. Can I grab the scanner number? Like, hey, question for ya. Can I have the scanner number for my little video?
The outside of the garage that's slanted up into the garage and then run it overhead in the garage to the
Northbound, bound.
which is then where it'll force it back. It'll force it back the other way throughout the house.
We're heading northbound. Oop, look at the old railroad car.
It's hard to explain it with the but basically it's $1,700 versus $1,750.
Scanner in there?
Right here.
Oh.
I want to know the frequency. I want to go ask one of the conductors.
Okay, so I'll call you at 6.
To be honest, were you expecting a double-decker train?
Not really. I was expecting one that had an observation deck on it.
I mean, like, and then on top.
Yeah, it's a two-story. Here it comes. Let's see. This one the other direction. Drop my phone again, I'm touching your phone.
another train.
Let's see. She went to the back to rest. Back where our seats are. Hold on, if there's somebody's house.
Hi. Hey. Yeah, just to let you know, sorry, I'm having a little trouble pushing the things. We're moving kind of fast here.
I know. Is it your phone or whose?
My phone.
Oh, I just didn't recognize the number.
Yeah, we got a new data plan. Our other data plan got screwed up somehow, so we had to get a new one.
So that's your...
That's my new number.
Good.
Yeah, it's fine.
You'll get on the train, huh?
Oh yeah, we'll be on here for another 7 hours at least. Yes, I mean, we're like, I believe we're in Georgia somewhere. I think we're in Georgia somewhere. Somewhere in Georgia.
South of Atlanta.
South of Atlanta. We're south of Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, we are a long way, and we still got a long way to go. Won't be getting it off this train until about 1 a.m. Oh dear.
Just dropped it.
Hold on. Sorry, I lost connection due to rocks.
Yeah. So is it random?
No, we just went through an area where there's like rocks on both sides of us, and there's like very little way my phone can get signal. I'm having trouble right now. It's kind of going through a wooded area type deal.
Yeah, it's just cloudy here.
Yeah, it's clear as can be down here. I mean, clear. We're just south of Atlanta, Georgia, so.
They're south of Atlanta.
Yeah, so we got a little while to go. We'll be on this train till about 1 a.m., something like that. Yeah, then we got a layover, and then we gotta catch another train at 7 a.m., but. Yeah, it's not a double-decker, it's a single-decker. We have 2 sleeper cars in the front, 2 dining cars, and then passenger cars the rest of the way. I've been hanging out in the dining car the whole time, just sitting here because it's the best spot for my camera.
Yeah, have you been videoing?
I've been videoing the whole time, pretty much.
Wow.
Non-stop.
Wow.
Yeah. So what I'm looking at now.
You eat anything on the train, or?
Yeah, we'd probably be sleeping on here.
Or did you eat anything on the train?
Oh yeah, I've been eating snacks, little snacks here, snacks there. It's all good.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but slowing down now. We've had times where we've gone up pretty fast, you know. That's why I couldn't text you as quick as I wanted to, because we're going so fast.
What's all that noise?
The train. We're moving fast.
No wonder I can barely hear.
It's a party!
Yeah, we're moving fast.
It's a party!
Yeah.
We're all dancing!
Yeah, that's Amtrak.
Yeah, Amtrak, so just letting you know we're on the move, probably just about halfway, but yeah, we're still here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, earlier today we went through a few tunnels, it was pretty cool.
Yeah. I'm still on the train till like what, 1 a.m.?
Yeah, 1 a.m., you know.
Yeah, I'm on the train till 1 a.m.
Yeah, what are you doing?
That's what we just met, like, how like, city and movie. We had to go get some stuff from them, leaving their house.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at mountains and stuff now, so pretty much we're in a kind of mountain elevation now, going up a bit, going uphill.
Yeah, you'll have to get used to the time.
Oh yeah. It's an hour ahead, so when we get up there.
Yeah.
But it goes to let you know we're good.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll call you later.
I'll the train don't break down on y'all.
Oh no, it hasn't. We're all good.
You want me to tell about there's a train that derailed?
Where at?
There's a train that derailed in California.
Oh dear. Well.
It went in the water.
Oh dear. Well.
And everybody was killed. Nobody was killed.
But yeah, we're going good. We're going uphill now, so just checking on you. Alright, bye. Love you. What?
Said the L word.
What's wrong with that?
You thought it sounded
Thank you.
He's
it's
17!
like his sister he was talking.
He only has 2 sisters and they're about 30.
Yeah.
That ain't my sister.
Special friend.
Girlfriend.
Long distance girlfriend.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Ooh, another thing, right?
There's the head in. We're doing good. Making progress.
We're ready to go.
Oh, my ears are popping. Do you feel the pressure, Dad? We're increasing. Oh, it hurts.
Yes. In Jackson. Not real far.
House hunting.
We're house hunting. We're going to North Carolina. So what do you do in North Carolina? Oh. So do you live there or are you?
No, I'm French.
Friday.
I'm from Paris. Freedom fries.
French fries.
So what are you doing? Are you going for a job or are you going to visit friends?
I came all across the ocean to be with my boyfriend, who actually, like, 4 days ago, I found out that he was cheating on me.
Oh.
And, like, I slapped his face, stuff like that. Some really bad stuff happened, like, yesterday. Like, you don't fucking mess with me, asshole.
So are you going back home or you?
No, I'm touring.
Oh, okay. So you're.
I'm a DJ. I travel all around to also, like, DJ places. So after Monday, I'm going to Houston,
awesome. That's great. That's great. Not that you. No, your boyfriend. Okay, behave.
Hey!
Behave. But no, I mean that's awesome that you're.
I mean, I had to find like another reason to come over.
Yeah.
And fuck yes, like.
Yeah.
Like this guy, he's such a piece of shit. Like, you know, he was singing on stage, and I threw to him like some wet toilet paper at his face while he was singing. Like, and he was like, ooh.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
I was crying so hard.
Yeah.
And he didn't do fucking shit. And he clapped at me when I was leaving the bar. He clapped at me. And I was like saying, dude, you know what? Like, I got like more claps than you at your fucking lame concert. And he broke his sweat, you know?
We're in France.
Paris.
Paris.
Sorry, I'm a nice person, but when people do wrong to me,
I can understand. I understand your emotions. I understand. I completely, or I empathize and sympathize with you. So, yes. So, yeah.
Son.
don't you think that sometimes you have to revenge yourself? Like to be like, smell your own shit, shithead. It smells bad. I'm glad I touched the fucking toilets.
Yeah, maybe not so much the revenge part, but he does need to know that he needs to have more respect.
I hope that I ruined his fucking evening. I guess I did.
So, did he know that you were coming over, or was it a surprise?
He knew, and he was like he wanted to bring his ex-girlfriend to pick me up. Who the fuck does that?
No. Okay,
That's wrong.
yeah.
And he clapped at me for leaving.
Well, I hope the rest of your trip is good. So you don't have to deal with him anymore in any more places, do you?
No.
Okay. So he's not like a DJ and y'all are
He's a
following the same
he's a
venue?
he's a non-talented musician. He's like doing some lame garage rock just to get laid. Whatever. I dated this guy for a year. We were supposed to get married last summer.
Good thing that you did.
Too much emotions.
Yeah.
It was like really like you're such a miserable shithead that you want to drag people down. Like, why people are emotionally abusive, you know?
I don't know. I would have thought that if he at least wanted to date other people, he would at least
Tell me.
tell you.
He never, and you know, 10 days ago he was on the phone to me, like saying how much he loves me. And
Yeah.
I know.
that.
I know.
like I told him, like, did you lie to me when you were like just saying how much you love me and everything? And he said like I was drunk. He was not drunk at all. He was not fucking drunk. No, we got that. Yeah. But he's an alcoholic. He was like whatever. Oh, good riddance. And not everybody that
Hey girl, pick up your toys and
The
bring them back
elevation.
over here.
There's the head in again.
You got the other one right there too. On the floor, the round one. Yes. Thank you, sweetheart.
Loving this YouTube.
So
Mary Kay, put my phone down. Put it down. Get out of my seat.
Don't be mean.
No, I got my camera coming over there. She does not need to break that.
He's a big brother, she's a little sister.
Daddy, can you tell her? Just
Hey, come sit over here, Lee Bubbies. Speak to this lady right here and see. Tell her, ask her where she's from.
there goes the train pulling out of here, YouTube. And there it goes. There it goes. Woohoo! Wait!